Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
Fat flush water recipe. Fat flush is a method where water is used to expel fat deposits and toxins from the body that remain stagnant and unburnt due to lack of activity. Although this water alone cannot help you lose all the fat, when done alongside your regular workout regimen, this can help rid your body of all the waste. Nowadays, fat flush water is all the rage, and it takes a little step beyond your everyday average amount of water needed to keep your organs lubricated, hydrated, and wash out the unnecessary toxins. Here, we give you the recipe and some details on how it breaks down fat, besides giving a good nutritious balanced diet, when taken along with a good exercise regime. Ingredients: 2 liters or 64 ounces of normal and pure drinking water, 1 tangerine, cut into sections, 1/2 grapefruit, cut into thin slices, 1 cucumber, cut into thin slices, 6 leaves of peppermint or spearmint, a few ice cubes made from pure drinking water. Optional tip: make sure all the produce are organic. Directions: put all these ingredients in a jar or pitcher, stir it well together, and then put it in the fridge overnight. Keep drinking the mixture throughout the next day. A flush of benefits. 1. Tangerines help boost your body and your blood sensitivity to insulin by balancing out blood sugar levels. It also helps facilitate fat burning because of its potent vitamin C content. 2. Grapefruits heighten your cells' metabolic stamina, help shed fat, and give you more energy. 3. Cucumbers will cool down your system and make you feel full, being a natural diluter. Consequently, your body is less likely to feel bloated or retain water. 4. Mint aids in digestion and eases cellular activity. How does the body process fat? We need fat but not excess amounts of it. But the way fat is broken down by the body is pretty complicated yet somewhat straightforward. Basically, the body makes use of the fat deposits stored in our bodies to give us the energy needed to remove the triglycerides in the fat cells. They are then further cut down into glycerols and fatty acids, which contribute to building the tissues for your muscles and other organs, where they are utilized for various chemical processes in the body. If the leftover residue from the processes are not consumed by the body as energy, they are labeled as waste and hence need to be removed. How does water help? Water is the means by which the waste gets out of our body. The residue from the processes that is not used is filtered by your organs using the water you drink. The waste carried by water is then carried to your bladder and passed out through urination. We often take drinking water for granted, but it plays a critical role in making sure our bodies are not contaminated by unnecessary waste buildup, which causes ailments that may be hard to fix later on.